Hey, it's Manny from TeamGantt. If you've ever looked for a better way to organize your projects, you've probably heard of a Gantt chart. But what are they exactly and why are they so useful? In this video, I'm going to show you what a Gantt chart is, how it works, and why it's one of the most powerful tools for managing your projects. Before we jump in, just go down there and hit that like button as well as subscribe for future videos on personal and project management. That being said, let's get started. A Gantt chart is a way to plan, schedule, and track all of the tasks in your project. It lays all of your work on a timeline so you can see what needs to be done, when it needs to happen, and how tasks relate to one another. You've got tasks running down the left side of the chart and a timeline running across the top. Each task is represented by a horizontal bar that shows the start and end date. The longer the bar, the longer the task. It's pretty straightforward. It's also great for seeing the big picture. You can spot overlapping work, see where different teams are involved, and identify potential bottlenecks before they turn into delays. But Gantt charts go far beyond just showing dates. You can set up dependencies to connect tasks that need to happen in a specific order. So, if task B can't start until task A finishes, you can draw a line between them. That way, when something changes, the schedule automatically adjusts. You can also track progress by updating the percentage complete for each task. This gives you and your team a real-time view of how things are moving, so no need to chase down updates and work off of outdated info. Now, how does this actually help? Let's say you're managing a commercial building project. You can break down your project into phases like site prep, foundation, framing, MEP rough-ins, and finishes. Under each phase, you can list the key tasks, assign start and end dates, add dependencies, and suddenly you've got a full roadmap for your build laid out clearly and visually. And here's where TeamGantt makes it so much easier. You can build your Gantt chart in minutes with simple drag and drop scheduling, assign tasks to team members, track progress, attach files, and leave comments. It's all there in one place, and because it updates in real time, your team stays in sync without sending a single email. So to recap, a Gantt chart helps you plan your project, track your progress, and schedule your tasks visually. It brings clarity to complex work, reduces miscommunication, and keeps everything moving forward. If you're ready to go ahead and give it a try, go down to the description and click that link to sign up for a TeamGantt account today. You'll get access to our Gantt chart and other scheduling tools, templates, and everything else you need to start planning your project smarter. I'm Manny from TeamGantt, and I'll see you guys in the next video.